Hey guys, it's Isaac, and today I am going to be making a cookie cake with my special star guest, Eva, my sister. Spit this way. This way. Hello. So first, what we're going to do is wash your hands. Now, we are going to be using a 9x13 normal pan. We will begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees and then put half cup of chocolate chips, Ziploc bag. Okay, now in a small microwavable bowl, we're gonna melt the butter 20 to 30 seconds until just melted. You're supposed to add the butter and all that's going. Now we're going to put the white sugar and the brown sugar together, and it says use a spatula to stir. Do not use a mixer, it says. Now we have to add in the egg and then vanilla, and then we're gonna mix that up. Now we have to add in the baking soda, the baking powder, and the salt. We're gonna mix again. Now we're gonna add the flour, and then we're gonna mix it all into the flour disappears. Grease the pan. Now we're going to add half cup of chopped chocolate chips and add a half cup of whole chocolate chips. Now you're going to mix it all up. You get the dough. Drop the dough into small chunks on the pan. I'm going to press this down. Press it down just like this, so it's all pressed down everywhere. And then you need to bake it for 12 to 14 minutes. So you want your cookie cake to be slightly brown on the top and looking but underbaked. While the cookie is cooking, let's make the frosting. Beat softened butter on medium-high speed for 2 minutes until it's smooth. I didn't do it for 2 minutes, but it's smooth already, so add the powdered sugar a 1/4 cup at a time. You may need to stop and scrape downside. So now we need to add the vanilla and the pinch of salt. We're gonna mix this on medium speed. Now I need to add the milk a tablespoon at a time. Okay, so we're gonna start with 1 tablespoon of milk.
The frosting hardens quick.
Okay, so there is 10 seconds left. Let's go off. And then we can frost it. Place the pan on cooling. It needs to cool completely. Okay, so we are going to now frost it since it's cooled.
Around the edges?
Yeah, around the edges. You can just do little blobs around the edges. I'm going to start sprinkling it maybe.
Ta-da! There you have it. There is your beautiful cake.
And now the last step of this is to eat it.
Yes.
Well, I guess we could cut it.
Everyone gonna try it?
Or you can just eat it whole. Yeah, we need a little spatula. Yeah!
Ta-da!
Big one.
Look at that. Look at how cool it looks. Okay, so now all you have to do is like take it and eat it. So
Yeah, just eat
anyone
it.
else want to try some?
Oh, it's thin, like a cookie. That makes sense. Okay. You have to try it on the... Okay.
Just split that in half, or have that tiny piece. Mom? You get any frosting. It's the best part.
Taste.
Like a cookie.
Like a cookie?
I'll give you Mom. I'm gonna try some of the frosting.
That's big. Yeah, I'm trying some frosting too.
You want some, Dad?
Yeah, maybe
Jesus. Frosting's really good with it. I wish we had enough to spread it over the whole thing, because it's really good.
Yeah.
But it looks fancy and it looks good, so yeah, that's it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I guess that was the quickest outro ever. Bye.